They did not want her to be a doctor, so she became one anyway. In the middle of the Civil War, in the year 1864, Rebecca Lee Crumpler became the first black woman in United States history to earn a medical degree. White doctors mocked her, hospitals turned her away, but she did not quit. She treated freed slaves after the war, people no one else would touch. She knew their lives mattered, even if medicine said otherwise. And when they tried to ignore her name, she wrote a book. The first medical text by a black woman in America. Her words still echo. Do not shrink from duty when clearly pointed out. Today, few know her name, but every black woman doctor walks through the door she kicked open. Say her name, Dr. Rebecca Lee Crumpler.